Value yourself more and love yourself. Welcome to the exercise called Quick Eyes of Love exercise. And I do this exercise in my training workshops and coaching to help my students to increase their self esteem. We need to first value ourselves before we expect others to value us. And people face a lot of problems of low confidence, lower self esteem, and indecisiveness because they don't value themselves. They don't appreciate themselves and don't know their qualities. And by the end of this exercise or guided meditation exercise, you will accept yourself and value yourself more. So sit back and relax. Do not do this exercise while driving or operating any kind of machineries. Do this exercise where you can be relaxed and sit comfortably without getting disturbed. So let's dive into the exercise. Now close your eyes and move away from yourself. Imagine yourself moving out of your body. So you see yourself sitting there. Move away to a comfortable distance where you can see yourself with some context around you. See yourself in different background or situation. Now there are certain people who love you or who thinks well of you. Perhaps someone who is grateful to you for something you have done. Or maybe just for who you are. Remember those people and pick up one person who really likes you, loves you, and appreciates you. Who is this person? Now see this person who loves you and appreciates you a lot coming to you, looking at you as you sit there. Imagine yourself going across out of your body and go near that person so that you are standing next to that person who loves you. And look back at yourself that is sitting there. So that you see yourself almost from their viewpoint. Notice how that feels. Now get into that person's body and float into this person's viewpoint. So that you look at yourself through their eyes. See yourself as this person sees you. And I wonder what you learn from this viewpoint. It may be that you notice some qualities to appreciate, some of your qualities that you already knew you had. It may be that this person has noticed qualities in you that you did not realize up till now that you have, or that you are only just realizing are your qualities. Speak out those qualities from the person who admires you and appreciates the great work and help you have done. Notice what it's like to really see yourself through these eyes. Notice how it feels to see yourself through the eyes of love. Feel that sense of love, appreciation, and for each of these qualities that you appreciate. And of course, this person knows you, and this person has memories of seeing you display those qualities. This person shares time when you show the best of you who you can be. Events that mean something to this person. Even if you did not realize the significance at the time, or even you had forgotten them now. But as you notice or remember some of these occasions when you showed your good qualities, and as you watch them open, clear, and bright through the eyes of love, you may notice a realization or a growing sense that you have these good qualities and you have them strongly. Very soon, it will be time to return to yourself. So noticing anything else that's worth noticing, bring back everything that you have learned and everything that you have enjoyed about this exercise. And as you float backwards to yourself, into your body, get yourself into the body where you're sitting and take as long as you need for your unconscious mind to integrate all of these learnings into your everyday viewpoint now. And before you are wide awake and fully conscious, the person who loves you can bid you a farewell for now, saying bye to you, walking away, and having given you this gift of seeing yourself, giving you the gift of qualities, values, and appreciation about yourself. And anytime you want to in the future, you know that you can take a little time to see yourself through the eyes of love. So when your unconscious mind is ready to move on to the next stage, you can open your eyes. Take your time to really accept and acknowledge the qualities and love you received. Carry this feeling with you from now on. Really feel your body with the new energy. Let your mind soak in all the great qualities you received, you heard. And if you benefit from this video or exercise, share it far and wide. My name is Mayur Bardolia, a success coach, author, and speaker from North Star Angel Coaching and Spiritual Solutions. Have a nice day.